Fueling success, the role of healthy eating in weight loss. Embarking on a journey towards weight loss requires more than just a reduction in calorie intake. It demands a thoughtful and balanced approach to eating. By understanding the significance of the foods we consume and incorporating nutrient-dense options into our daily meals, we can not only shed excess weight, but also foster a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Let's look at healthy eating for weight loss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. 1. Vegetables. At the forefront of a healthy eating plan are vegetables, nature's powerhouse of nutrients. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, vegetables contribute to satiety while providing essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and vibrant colored options offer a diverse range of benefits, from promoting digestion to boosting the immune system. 2. Fruits. Fruits, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, are a delicious and sweet addition to a weight loss-focused diet. While they do contain natural sugars, the fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing a steady release of energy. Berries, citrus fruits, and apples are particularly praised for their nutritional profile and ability to satisfy sweet cravings without compromising health. 3. Whole grains. Opting for whole grains over refined counterparts is a smart move for weight loss. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, offer complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy, reducing the likelihood of energy crashes and subsequent overeating. The fiber content aids in digestion and helps control appetite. 4. Lean proteins. Proteins play a crucial role in weight loss by promoting the feeling of fullness and supporting muscle health. Lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and legumes are excellent choices. They not only assist in building and repairing tissues, but also contribute to a faster metabolism, aiding in the burning of calories. Healthy fats. Contrary to the misconception that fats should be entirely avoided, incorporating healthy fats into the diet is essential. Sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that support heart health and help keep you satisfied. Including these fats in moderation can also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 6. Dairy or dairy alternatives. Calcium-rich dairy or fortified dairy alternatives contribute to bone health while providing a source of protein. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options to keep calorie intake in check. Greek yogurt, in particular, is praised for its high protein content and probiotics, which support digestive health. 7. Hydration. Often overlooked but integral to any weight loss plan is proper hydration. Water not only supports bodily functions, but can also aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness. Choosing water over sugary beverages reduces empty calorie intake, contributing to overall calorie control. Exercise complements healthy eating in achieving sustainable weight loss. Engaging in regular physical activity not only burns calories, but also enhances overall well-being. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, or participating in group fitness classes, to make exercise an enjoyable and consistent part of your routine. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you provide your body with the essential building blocks it needs for sustained weight loss. Remember that a healthy eating plan is not a temporary fix, but a lifestyle choice. Combined with regular physical activity and mindful eating practices, this approach can lead to not only shedding excess weight, but also achieving long-term health and wellness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.